How to buy Aesthetic EMS body sculpting machine online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can purchase a body sculpting machine. So let's get into it. Now you will find the link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Along with the link you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply to get a bunch of discounts. So let's get into it. So on the website here at the top, you'll see body sculpting. Just simply click on it and scroll down. You'll see this option right here. This is the portable body sculpting Neo machine with 2 RF handles. So we're going to click on it, or click on add to cart. And here you can go ahead and select whichever option you want. And then you can go ahead and click on add to cart. And then you can just simply go ahead and pay with one of these options right here. Down below, you'll also find some other informations as well. So keep that in mind. And here you've got your view cart. You can even go ahead and click on the checkout button over here. And then here down below, you can get a discount by entering in a coupon code or promo code, which you can find in the description below. So make sure you check that out. And then you can just simply go ahead and fill out this form and then proceed to checkout. And there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can purchase a EMS body sculpting machine online. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.